Hello guys, my name is Faraz, one of the doctors working here in the UK. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can produce your immigration status at the airport if you are traveling from UK to some other country in the world, or you are traveling to UK from your home country. So first of all, let's talk about what is meant by immigration status. Immigration status means if you are traveling from UK, so you have to produce at the airport you are a legal resident, or you are living in the UK legally, you are holding some sort of visa, you are working in the UK, you are studying in the UK. You have to show your immigration status, means you have to show your visa status at the airport. While traveling from your home country to UK, you have to show your immigration status, your visa status at the airport of your home country as well. What used to happen in the past, you used to have the BRP card in the past, and while traveling from UK or while traveling from your home country back to UK, you used to show them your BRP card along with your passport, and they used to get an idea this is the visa type you are holding, because everything was mentioned on your BRP. But in the current scenario, as you people know, all the BRPs are expired on 31st of December 2024, and the UKVI has replaced the BRPs with the electronic visas, with e-visas. So in that scenario, how you can produce your immigration status, how you can tell the immigration agent at the airport this is your visa status. To talk about this, I have divided this video in two scenarios. First scenario is you are traveling from UK to home country, and second scenario is you are traveling from your home country to UK. So let's talk about the first scenario. For example, if you are living in the UK, you are working on a skilled worker visa, and now you are going back to your home country, for example for holidays or some other type of stuff. So what you have to do, while you will travel from UK to your home country, at the airport they may ask about your visa status, your immigration status. So in that scenario, what you have to do, you have to show them, because in the past we used to show BRP, now BRP is expired, we have to show them the e-visa. So I am pretty sure you people must have converted your BRP into e-visa, but if you haven't created the e-visa, so you can watch the video on the upper left corner of this screen, and you will convert your BRP. Although it's expired, you can still convert it into e-visa. But if you have already converted your BRP into e-visa, so what you have to do, you can produce your immigration status in three ways at the airport. First of all, you can link your passport with your e-visa. So what will happen if you don't know how to link your passport with your e-visa, you can watch the video in upper left corner of this screen. So let's suppose your e-visa is linked to your passport. In that scenario, there is no need to carry anything electronically or physically. Your e-visa is already linked to your passport. So now you will go, you are going back to your home country, you are at the airport, let's suppose at the London Heathrow airport, and at the immigration counter, what they will do, they will ask about your passport, and you will give them the passport. Keep in mind, your e-visa is linked to your passport. When they will scan your passport on the scanner, so all the details of your immigration status, your visa status will be there on screen. They can see your name, they can see your date of birth, your visa type like skilled worker visa, your start date of the visa, end date of visa, your insurance number, everything they can check over there. But in the other scenario, if you have not linked your e-visa with your passport, you can still produce your immigration status over there. So how you can produce your immigration status if you haven't linked your passport with your e-visa? So what you have to do, you can produce your e-visa status from the UKVI website before travel. While at home, you can produce this, and you can take a screenshot, or you can save in the email or the download as a PDF file in your mobile phone. But the other way, second way to show your immigration status, you can download or you can save the year code in your mobile as well. So I am going to show you now how you can produce your e-visa status and how you can produce your share code. In any of the browser, just write view your immigration status or click on the link given in the description. Choose the document here you use to create the UKVA account. I use passport. Continue, enter your passport number over there and continue. Then you have to write your date of birth over here, and then you have to write the security code. Okay, after that it will show you UK immigration status. This is your e-visa, basically name, date of birth, nationality, valid from, everything is mentioned over here. When you will move down, it will show you get a share code. Your picture is there, so you will click on the share code and it will be valid for 90 days. Get a share code there, and here it says like you can get share code for three things: to prove your right to rent, to prove your immigration. So we need for immigration, so we have to select that and continue button, and you will continue. It will take you to the next page. This is your share code: name, date of birth, nationality, status, and valid from and valid until. Everything is given over here. Picture is there, and you will come down and you will click on the link create a share code. So here is your share code. You can save this share code, you can print this page, you can download, and you can send it to your email to use in the future. So let's talk about the second scenario, and second scenario is you came back from the UK to home country. For example, in the Pakistan, your holidays are finished and you are now going back. The immigration agent at your country airport, they are not aware of like what is ongoing in the UK. Most of the people, they will be aware like there used to be a BRP in the UK, and if someone is traveling back to UK, we will check their BRP. So most of them, they will not be aware of the current situation in the UK. They will not be aware like BRP is converted to e-visa. They will not be aware like e-visa is linked to passport. They will not be aware about the e-visa status and the share code. So in that scenario, what you have to do, you have to take your passport with you, and along with the passport, I will highly recommend you people, please take a share code picture, take a share code PDF or email into your mobile phone, or take your e-visa status in your mobile phone for your ease. And if you want, you can get a print out of your e-visa status and the share code as well, because people, they are not interested in electronic things in our country. And if you will show them the paper thing with your passport, they will be more than happy and they will allow you, oh yes, you can go now. Other thing you can do to avoid any other problem is, because this is still January 2025, so the expired BRP which you are holding, that was expired on 31st of December 2024, you should still hold that BRP into your wallet, into your bag, because UKVI has increased the validity of all expired BRP until 31st March 2025. So in your home country, you can show them that expired BRP. But if someone is there who is not so much understanding of these things, he may create a problem. Oh, your BRP is expired, so how you can travel back to UK? So this is the reason I am suggesting you people, while traveling back from your home country to UK, you have to do what? You have to take your passport, you have to take your e-visa status which I have shown you before, and you have to take your share code which I have shown you before as well. Please keep in mind, to avoid any problem or any issues at the immigration counter, please follow these advices, and I'm pretty sure your journey from UK and your journey from your home country back to UK will be smooth. So if you have any question related to anything, you can ask me in the comment box. You can directly message me on the Instagram. I definitely reply everyone comments in the Instagram. Thank you very much for watching video. Bye bye.